Here are 10 must-visit places in India. Taj Mahal, Agra, a symbol of love and one of the 7 wonders of the world. This magnificent marble mausoleum is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Known as the Pink City, Jaipur is famous for its royal palaces, forts, and rich cultural heritage, including the Amer Fort and Hawa Mahal. Kerala Backwaters, a tranquil and picturesque network of lakes, rivers, and canals, ideal for houseboat cruises and a peaceful escape into nature. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, one of the oldest living cities in the world, known for its spiritual significance, temples, and the ghats of the Ganges River. Leh Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, a beautiful high-altitude desert known for its stunning landscapes, monasteries, and adventure opportunities like trekking and motorbiking. Goa, famous for its pristine beaches, vibrant nightlife, Portuguese architecture, and laid-back atmosphere. Mysore, Karnataka, known for the Mysore Palace, its traditional markets, and the famous Dussehra festival. Udaipur, Rajasthan, known as the City of Lakes, Udaipur boasts beautiful palaces, lakes, and the stunning city palace. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, an idyllic beach destination with crystal-clear waters, coral reefs, and pristine beaches. Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, a famous wildlife sanctuary and national park where you can spot tigers in their natural habitat. Each of these places offers a unique experience that showcases the diverse culture, history, and natural beauty of India.